Today we've got some great garnishes that are sure to impress guests, sure to impress anybody around. So we'll jump off. Tony's got some amazing...
Is that the name of our show, The Loney Show?
The Logan
and Tony Show?
Togan also works.
I'm Toe, this is Ken.
Welcome back to Vernon's Speakeasy. This is the Togan Show. We've got Logan and Tony here. We're going to be showing you some amazing, trendy cocktail garnishes that you can do to impress anybody around. And usually, they're not that hard to make. It just looks complicated. So we'll just jump right in. Tony's got an amazing one to start us off with.
We'll start with the hardest one first. We'll do the lemon twists. So if you want those escaping lemons.
Good save.
If you want those perfect little spiral lemon twists, so you're basically going to get a husk of the lemon like this. So we'll start with this lemon. We're going to cut off the ends and expose the
Make sure you've got
bits.
sharp knives.
Make sure you have sharp knives. And then we're going to cut a slit long ways. And then this is a messy part, so I need to do this over something. We're gonna run our thumb along the inside circle and separate the pith of the lemon from the meat of the lemon. You might squirt yourself, aim away from your face.
I was about to say, don't get yourself in the eye.
We wanna do this on both sides. You can retain the lemon and the lemon meats for juice if you would like. Use it in another cocktail. We don't wanna waste any of it. And then we run our finger up the middle and separate it here on both sides. And then we just basically sweep our thumb up and down throughout
There we go.
the lemon,
Nice.
separating it perfectly from its peel. So you'll have a little balled lemon there. We'll take these bits and make a nice little fruit roll up.
I mean, it is technically a fruit roll up,
It's a little fruit roll up. And then I'll take one of my little bamboo sticks and I'll stick it right in the middle. This is basically to keep the inside from sliding around while you're trying to cut it, and it protects your fingers. And then we just cut it into nice little slices.
See, not that hard. Looks great.
Not that hard. And then now you have perfect little lemon twists.
Now what's nice about these two, what I've actually liked about them is since they're curled, it's so easy to just express it if you just twist it a little bit more and pull. You can express that lemon perfectly on there and still have your amazing twist to drop onto your cocktail. So put it right on the side so you can still get a nice expression from it, easy twist and pull.
It's true.
It's a perfect, amazing twist and it looks great.
Lemon twists.
Then we're gonna go ahead, we're going straight for cucumbers now. Oh my goodness, I'm throwing lemon twists. That's waste, that's sacrilege. At least it wasn't alcohol, you know. So we have our amazing cucumber here. Now you wanna take it, you just wanna really chop as hard as you can. No, I'm just kidding. Of course, we're just gonna take off the ends here. Now, this one is really simple. What you want to do is take your peeler. We're gonna go across the top while keeping it on the cutting board. It gets a little hard sometimes because of the curve, but as long as we've got a nice base, we can hold steady. Let's give it one more cut, because as you saw, it was a little jiggly there. Boom. Cucumber flag. There we go. Now we've got a nice steady ground. We can start very gently and easily peeling off our cucumber pieces. Almost good, not quite. There we are. Beautiful, huge, long flags, easy to do, especially when you've got your base established. So we'll give it a flip. This is the only risky part because you're not necessarily on that established base. And then after you're done with your cucumber flags, you're left with your base cucumber, which you can use in mini cocktails, mini mocktails as well. And doing that using cucumber slices in your shake is called a royal shake.
We can also do these two ways. We can do them on a bamboo stick, or you can twist it around the inside of a glass.
Which always looks great.
So you would start like this, and then you would fill the glass with ice so that it holds the cucumber in place, and then you can fill it with a drink.
We'll even just do it with ice and soda, because honestly, it looks so nice having that cucumber ribbon around, and then that little tint of flavor, it's so refreshing. It's really good. Just like that.
It's even a nice way to just serve water for your guests at your bar top if you'd like a little.
Perfect.
To be a little extra.
Classic, elegant, exactly, to be a little extra. So with this guy, really easy. You're just gonna fold him back and forth, equal sizes, all the way down. Take your bamboo skewer, push him right through. And all you have to do is give him a little tug out. That cucumber will come out beautiful, ribbon, and classic. You can set it up on any cocktail. It'll sit over the sides of it, and it's almost like a little accordion. It's a perfect little flag right on top, something you can munch on, pull off ribbons as you enjoy your cocktail. Super easy, super cute garnish.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now, of course, don't want leftovers.
Yep, not that one.
So we'll make sure and get our cucumber ready for our royal shake. So we showed you the fancier twist. Now we're going to show you the more basic one and how to doctor it up just a little bit. Make sure you've got your peeler. This one you are going to want to press hard with. Make sure you get very, very thick, very, very wide peels. So this one's easy. Now they look, of course, just like standard peels, super good, but you just get it lined up on the edge, slice right across. Keep your oranges lined up. Slice right across, all at one. Trim your edges. See, look, I could be like Salt Bae, just. Did you? Perfect. I'm gonna have to clean those up later. Salt Bae it. Oh.
One more time.
Right.
There it is.
Orange right in there. Oh.
Zest Bay.
Drop it right on. Zest Bae. Cheers.
Hashtag Zest Bay.
These are some classic, delicious garnishes that you can make. All of them matter, all of them influence the cocktail. Look is part of everything that you eat. So, cheers and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Also, click on the link for reservations to come in and join us for our amazing dinners that we do. Be sure and check out the website, check out all of our live music and everything that we've got. Thanks for joining us. This is Togan signing off.